In this video, I'm going to show you the strategy I'm using to explode my affiliate marketing sales with a simple tweak to what you might be doing right now. And the great thing about this strategy is that it's simple to set up, but highly effective in getting more sales. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about this strategy that I'm using, and you can too, to explode your sales. And the great thing is that the product you use for this strategy doesn't matter. It's not about the product, it's all about the strategy. And all you'll do is make a couple of subtle tweaks to what you're probably doing right now with your affiliate links. So for this video, let's assume that you're promoting an email autoresponder. So in my case, I use GetResponse. It's by no means the best in terms of functionality or price, but for beginners and intermediate-sized affiliate marketers, GetResponse is a great tool for getting your emails to your audience, and it has most of the features of the big autoresponders anyway. Now, when I first got my affiliate link for GetResponse, I did a few things to try to make sales. First, I posted about it on Facebook and got almost no engagement. I created a YouTube video about it, which you can see by clicking the link up there. Again, not a lot of engagement on that either. And I sent the link to my existing audience by email. I made a few sales, but nothing spectacular. And I suspect that you can relate to my story. I see people putting their affiliate links in Facebook groups and posts all over the place. And while they might make the odd sale, you and I know that we aren't here to make the odd sale. We want to make a sustainable business that supports us and provides value to our customers. And one of the ways that you ensure you provide value to your customers and your audience is to ensure that you are around tomorrow, and you do that with sales. So I thought about this and combined what I was experiencing with what I was seeing some of my teachers do. And it became clear that there was a better way to make more consistent sales. It's a simple adaptation of the lead magnet funnel. The lead magnet funnel is where you give something away for free before making an offer for your affiliate product. The freebie, the lead magnet as it's called, is aligned with the offer that you're going to make as part of this lead magnet funnel. So in the case of GetResponse, an email autoresponder, the people who are going to use an autoresponder are also likely to be writing emails, sending emails. Makes sense, right? What you give away could be anything. The most common lead magnets are ebooks, checklists, free courses. There are a lot of options. So in the case of an autoresponder, what I thought would be helpful and made sense was to give away something that people struggle with and had a high value. So what is it, you ask? Well, it's an email sequence that sells. So I put together an email sequence of 10 emails designed to sell any product. You just edit the copy for your product. The core elements of the emails have been professionally drafted to generate engagement and sales. Pretty cool, right? But that's just the beginning of the strategy. So let's look at the key components of the strategy. And the first part of this strategy is that instead of just sending someone straight to your affiliate link and hoping to get a sale, you send them to an opt-in page where the lead needs to provide their email address to access the freebie, the email sequence. To get traffic to the opt-in page, you can do any number of traffic strategies, and I've spoken about these in the video you can see in the link up there. One of the options that works is to do a Facebook post and ask your audience to comment if they want the free email sequence in this case. You can send all those that comment the link to the opt-in page. Now, since you're not selling them anything, they're more likely to comment, you get engagement, and it will explode. More engagement means more reach of your post, which means more comments and more traffic to your offer. Compare that with just putting up your link on a post and hoping people click and buy. It's no surprise, people don't like to be sold. So they won't click the link, even if they need or want an email autoresponder. So part two is the thank you page. Now, when the lead enters their email address on the lead magnet page, the opt-in page, they're directed to a thank you page. And on the thank you page, you're going to have a video explaining that their email sequence will be sent to them by email in the next 5 minutes. In the meantime, while you have their attention, you make them the offer for the affiliate product. In this case, the email autoresponder. But your product can be anything, remember. So you get people to check out your affiliate marketing product, and you're going to get a lot more than would have seen it if you just post your link all over the place or send the link directly to your audience. It just doesn't work the same. You know that from your own experience. Now, the third part of the strategy is that you have an email follow-up sequence that goes out almost immediately. The first email will direct people to a page where they can download your freebie, in this case, an email sequence. On the download page, you have another opportunity to provide your lead with the link to your sales page for the affiliate link. This is a subtle variation of what you're probably used to doing with your affiliate marketing, but it'll explode your sales if you do it. After the initial email goes out about how to access the freebie, you then have a further batch of emails that are a combination of providing them with value bombs and links to your offer. You have a few more opportunities to convince people that your product's right for them right now. And that is all there is to this strategy. It's not rocket science, it's not innovative, really, but it works. The main differences and the benefits of this strategy are, firstly, is that you grow your email list, which you know is really important as an affiliate marketer. And second, you build trust with your audience by giving them something for free and providing them value. Third, you get to deliver value and opportunity across your email sequence to show them the power of an email sequence. And four, you're going to sell more products, much more. So like I said, this strategy is not complicated. It's relatively easy to set up. Just a couple of pages, an email sequence, and a Facebook post or two. And this strategy will skyrocket your sales and provide you with the income to expand and sustain your business into the future. So your only choice now is to decide what product you're going to promote and what the freebie will be to access the affiliate product, to support or align with the affiliate product. I suggest you give it a go. I'm about to set up a new lead magnet funnel myself, but if you want to see an example that I'm using, I've got a free course on how to get started and everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Just click the link in the description to access the free course today. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how you can explode your sales with one of your affiliate products. So let's do a quick recap of the key parts of the strategy. First, you're going to choose your product. Second, you're going to create a freebie related to the product. Then you're going to build a lead magnet funnel of an opt-in page, a thank you page, and a download page for the freebie. Fourth, you're going to drive traffic to the opt-in page, starting by using a Facebook post. And then you're going to rinse and repeat for all the other traffic sources. Now, if you want to follow what I'm doing or you're interested in getting started in affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and let's get you started in building a sustainable, profitable affiliate marketing business and on your way to a sustainable business. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to my free course on affiliate marketing and how to get started. Click the link in the description and let's get you earning an income in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and I'll reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and let's get you started from today.